Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about something very important, your online security. Specifically, how to check if someone else has logged into your Google account without your permission. Our Google account stores a lot of personal information, emails, contacts, location history, saved passwords, and more. So, it's absolutely crucial to make sure no one else is accessing it without your knowledge. Let's walk through the full steps to find out if your Google account has been compromised and what you can do about it. Start by launching the Google app on your Android. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that you want check. Once the app opens, look at the top right corner and tap your profile photo or initial. This will show the account currently signed in and allow you to switch accounts if needed. Tap on Manage your Google account. Then, swipe the menu to the right dot. Click on Security. Scroll down to the section titled Your Devices. Click on Manage All Devices. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently or were recently signed into your Google account. You'll see a list showing device type, for example, Windows PC, Android phone, iPhone, location, last activity time. Look for any device you don't recognize or that's logged in from a location you've never been to. If anything looks suspicious, click on the device, then click Don't recognize this device, or tap Sign Out. Follow the prompts to secure your account immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone else has accessed your Google account, and what steps you can take to protect it. Staying aware and regularly reviewing your account activity is one of the best ways to stay safe online. Don't wait until it's too late. Check your account today. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more privacy and tech tips. Stay safe, and see you in the next guide.